fix if your iPhone 16's flashlight icon is grayed out. So if your iPhone 16's flashlight icon is grayed out, normally if you swipe down your control center, you tap the flashlight icon, you should be able to turn it on or turn it off. But let's say that icon there is actually grayed out. Why does this happen? The first reason why it happens is due to overheating. So flashlight itself uses and actually comprises a lot of it when you turn it on for a prolonged period of time. So you want to make sure that your iPhone's temperature is not too high and that it has settled down. Number two is to check if your battery isn't so critically low. So if you're under 10 to 5% or maybe even 15 to 20% under, and in that case, it could gray out the flashlight icon there and it will not let you turn it on. Check if you have enabled battery saver or any type of settings as well. Last but not the least, a simple way that we can fix this if your battery is also not low and if you also went ahead and then it's not, the temperature is not too high. Check if your camera app is being used in the background. So when your camera app is being used in the background, you will see the flashlight icon is grayed out. So maybe apps like Snapchat, Facebook, or maybe you're in a video call and that's why the icon is grayed out. And last but not the least is to simply restart your iPhone. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.